What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today I wanted to get these windows retinted because you can see how bad some of them are with the bubbles and whatnot. I wanted to get the windows retinted and get the windshield replaced, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. After I sat here for like an hour and a half. This shop out here, it's called OK Tinting. Look at that crack in the window, it's driving me nuts. OK Tinting, whatever. I'm sure they're a solid business, man. I really do. I think that they probably are. It's just, don't take my information and tell me it's going to be 4 or 5 hours, which I'm cool with waiting. It's not a big deal. And then come back and be like, oh wait, this is going to be a bitch of a job. I'm not doing that today. So, you know, I was looking at 100, I think, to tint the windshield, 170 for the windshield. Well, it's good to know that the windshield's not that expensive. 170 for the windshield, 100 to tint the windshield, and then 100 or 275 to do the whole car with 5% tint. I didn't think that was a bad deal, but evidently they're not. This cigarette smell is going to drive me nuts, man. I literally can smell cigarettes now, and I've never smelled cigarettes in this car. Outside of, you know, when the ashtray was there. Maybe because the filter or something got wet in the rain. That might be what it is. I'm going to have to ozone this bitch. I can't stand that smell. Anywho's, we're getting started with today's video. Let's see if we can find another shop that can do it. Alright, guys. We found a place. Star Tint. Right there. And they're going to take all the old tint off the car and put new tint on it. And she still looked great. So let's wait and see how it goes. You guys can find them right here. There's their business hours and all that shit. So make sure you guys go tap in with their shop. If you're in the Oklahoma City area, just go see them. So this is it. Before we go, and I'm gonna walk my ass in the rain down to this taco shop. Ooh. So there you see it right there. The bubble tint and all that stuff is going to be gone. So major shout out to Star Tint. You can see them right there. Go tap in with their shop and show them some love, man. You know, I love a business that likes to work and get shit done. And when they said when they was like, yo, bring it to us today. That was before I was even like, yo, I'm putting y'all on TK's Garage and any of that other shit. So, you know, you got to respect that, man. You got to respect the people that are putting in the time and the work for you. And I do. I 100% respect them for getting this in for me, man. I really appreciate it. And like I said, go tap in with them. We'll see what it looks like when Star Tint gets done with the purple rain. Getting put into the shop. I don't think he's driven a clutch before or a stick. He's just being easy on it, and you can beat on that thing. All right, guys, now you guys can see that we got that 5% all the way around. You got the 5% up top across the brow. Looks really good, man. All the way around, man. She looks amazing. Nice 5% all the way around. Wow. So major shout out to Star Tint out here in OKC for getting this job done. I really appreciate it. So this gives you a little bit of a view on the inside. You guys can see, ooh. I'm guessing they leaned on the seat or something and it tore. That sucks. I need to stitch that up. Crap. But they got it all the way down. You can see there's no bubbles or marks. It looks good pretty much everywhere, especially right there where there was all kinds of bubbled shit. Same thing on the doors. No more nicks or bumps. And it's nice and dark in here. And it's supposed to cut like 70% of the heat out. And we'll see. But anywho's, just another video, man. I wanted to give you guys a bonus video showing you guys, you know, that we're getting more of the little stuff done on the car. So, not a super long video, but again, you know, major shout out to my people over here at Star Tint in OKC for getting this done for me. I really appreciate it. The car looks amazing. She's good and ready to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about the new fresh black tint. She looks a lot better, and like I said, really all that's left to do now is body work.
Perfect.